What's up everybody, Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove and how to install a pilot bearing into your 1979 to 1995 or 1994 to 2004 pushrod equipped Mustang. If you ever had to remove the manual transmission to service any drivetrain or engine related component, it's always good insurance to go ahead and replace the pilot bearing while everything is torn apart. The pilot bearing supports and centers the transmission input shaft and clutch disc. So whenever the clutch is disengaged, the pilot bearing allows the flywheel to maintain engine RPM while the input shaft is slowing down or it isn't moving. A few methods of removal is a slide hammer with pilot bearing attachment or a few pieces of bread. Yes, I did say bread. Now in most cases, the outer shell of the pilot bearing is never damaged, so removing the entire thing is somewhat of a waste of time. We're going to show you a little trick when installing a new pilot bearing. Be sure and watch our T5 transmission removal video, as we will already have our transmission removed. Now, if you don't personally own a slide hammer and a pilot bearing attachment, you could always source one from your local auto parts store. With the transmission, pressure plate, clutch disc, flywheel, and spacer plate removed, locate the pilot bearing. Assemble the slide hammer and pilot bearing attachment. Position the tool through the pilot bearing and adjust the assembly until the jaws are spread evenly across the bearing. Slide the hammer against the stop on the shank until the bearing is removed from the outer shell. Clean and inspect the area. Make a mental note of how far the new bearing is pressed into the new shell. The two recessed grooves will face towards the engine. Take an appropriate width deep socket and ensure that it can evenly make contact with the new bearing. Align the new bearing with the old shell. Carefully tap the bearing out of the new shell and into the old shell. Double check the placement of the bearing inside of the shell. Now, if you don't have access to a slide hammer, head to the pantry and grab a few pieces of bread. Begin inserting the bread through the old bearing. As you fill the space with bread, use an appropriate sized bolt and begin to pack the bread. Keep inserting and packing the bread until the bearing is removed. Remove the bread from the opening and then repeat the steps shown earlier to install the new bearing. If for some reason you want to replace the entire bearing assembly, remove the outer shell and tap the new assembly into the crankshaft. Reassemble your other components and you're good to go. Typically 3 to 4 pieces of bread will do the trick if you want to go that route when removing the pilot bearing. When installing a new pilot bearing, do not add additional grease if the bearing is pre-greased like the Ford Performance version we used in the video. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang, and of course, SVT Life.